Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. Guys, I am literally shaking because of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I am not over dramatizing. Right now, there is something unfolding in the Bitcoin and Ethereum chart, which draws my attention to two specific patterns. And I want to talk about where I am expecting the Bitcoin and Ethereum price to go in the immediate short term, what trades I am taking, what has happened to my previous trade, and much, much more. Guys, this is for sure a very important one. Make sure you watch this one here until the very end. I will be talking about the charts. I will be talking about my trade here, 1.5 million US dollars. And I was telling you, when we are breaking out, I will put another 1.5 million US dollars down. Let me tell you when I'm going to do that. 220,000 US dollars in the profits. Congratulations for everyone who joined me on that trade. Of course, I will be talking about Ethereum as well and much, much more. And there's one specific signal flashing on Bitcoin actually today, which flashed the last time in March 2020 at 3,800 US dollars and the time before, beginning of 2019 at the bear market low. It is flashing once again. We will be talking about that. So let's go straight into the content, guys. And before I'm talking about that, I wanted to incentivize everyone, please. If you appreciate this kind of content, if you want more of Ethereum as well in the future, smash up the like button towards the new all-time high and also share this video with your friends, and I will be delivering on my promises. Now let's go straight into the content, guys. And before I'm going into the trades and the specific signals which are flashing right now, well, let's talk about the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. And what can we see here? We are on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin. And as you can see, there is this W unfolding I was talking about earlier. And honestly speaking, I thought, well, maybe it takes a little bit longer to break out. However, Bitcoin tends to surprise, and it's a pleasant surprise since I'm in a long position. However, this breakout is not confirmed yet. Let me repeat that. This breakout is not confirmed yet. First of all, let's take out the volume. Well, we can see increasing volume, which is good, but we need a little bit more volume, actually significantly more volume, to actually confirm that this is a confirmed breakout and also a retest of the downward sloping support, which was previously resistance. So far, nothing yet confirmed. As you can see here, the retest failed. So let's wait for that. Something which is good, of course, is that the previous bounce here had a very high volume, which of course signified a lot of bulls pressing back the price. So far, it is not looking all too bad. And of course, as you remember, the last few videos, I was getting more and more bullish and more leaning towards the upside. I was always saying that I think that 28,800 is the bottom for Bitcoin, but now I am actually getting more and more vigilant also towards the breakout for Bitcoin. I mean, in fact, as you remember, I was talking about yesterday, ultimate danger for all Bitcoin bears. And before I was talking on the downside about this insane Bitcoin manipulation which is planned. And I was talking about the US dollar tether deposits, 2.5 billion US dollars being deposited on exchanges in Tether from whales. And this historically only happened when whales were planning a big move, when whales were planning to buy back Bitcoin. And this is happening always before a significant breakout. So now the question arises, is this a significant breakout? Well, we have to wait not only for the 4-hourly close outside, we have to wait for significant volume and a confirmation of the previous resistance, which is then turning into support. But as always, guys, sometimes Ethereum is giving us a glimpse into the future. So let's look at Ethereum. Here you can see on the 4-hourly candles on Ethereum, we have the same thing. We have a W pattern with a second low higher than the previous low. Very nice. And also the neckline here, which is already broken. And not only that, it is broken. We confirmed the breakout and we went above the previous rejection point. This is for me legitimate enough to say this is potentially a good breakout. This is potentially even a confirmed breakout with a price target of 2,390 US dollars. We are always taking profits before the price target. Going back to the Twitter account, follow me at MMCrypto. I was updating you just in time, guys, when the price broke out and was not confirmed yet. I was telling you, insane W breakout for Ethereum. More than 2 hours ago at 2,100 US dollars, I told you the breakout is almost confirmed. Now it seems like it is confirmed. We just need a little bit of more volume for Ethereum. So as you know, we at MMCrypto, we like to treat Ethereum as a leading indicator for Bitcoin. If Ethereum continues this breakout with a significant volume, likelihood significantly increases as well for Bitcoin. Actually, let me go back here to break out finally again. Bitcoin also has not only this descending triangle breakout unfolding, no. if I'm pulling out this here, you can see there is also a W breakout. And this W breakout would have, let me quickly go over, and I want to make it a little bit more, let me make it a little bit more conservative here. Wait for the breakout. Please always wait for the breakout, guys. But obviously, like, it looks more good than bad for Bitcoin. I'm saying that for quite some time here. And I'm seeing so much love in the comment section. So many people making significant gains here, according our calls, our videos here on the channel. So I'm very happy for that. Of course, always very happy. Your gains are my gains. And the more gains you make, the more gains I make, and vice versa. So if this one would be breaking out, then we would see approximately the price target of 41,000 US dollars for Bitcoin to unfold. So far, it is looking very good. And as you remember, I am having my trade open here. 1.5 million US dollars, approximately 220,000 more than 220,000 US dollars in profits. And actually, after this video, if we confirm, I will put, let me quickly go back, walking through my suite here. I really love it. I just changed the hotel in Kiev. Very, very beautiful. After this video, if we confirm, I will put down another 1.5 million US dollars on my trade. I told you that from the very beginning. We have a bottoming formation. And if we are breaking out of the bearish bias pattern after hitting all my signals here, well, of course, I am turning overwhelmingly bullish for Bitcoin. Let me quickly go over back here. And this is the next thing, guys. I mean, I was talking yesterday, 2 days ago, about ways depositing Tether on exchanges. Freaking bullish for Bitcoin, right? I was talking about the short-term holder spend output profit ratio actually hitting a new low here. Very bullish for Bitcoin. I was talking about the stable coin supply ratio. How many stable coins towards the Bitcoin supply? Hit another crazy record here. Well, every single time we are hitting these levels here, this is usually the low. I'm not saying with 100% likelihood this is the low for Bitcoin, no. But the likelihood increases. And of course, I will be talking about this specific White-House pattern as well. But more importantly, look at the pure multiple. I was talking about that multiple times. I was calling the low in 2020. I was calling the low in 2019, according to that specific pattern. Right now, we are hitting with the pure multiple the same lows once again. Doesn't mean that there's not more downside or whatever, but it means once again the likelihood significantly increases that we hit bottom yet. First of all, I wanted to know from you guys, do you think we have hit bottom? Do you think this breakout attempt is going to be successful? Or do you think eventually we are not going to confirm and we are going to break back into the pattern? Let me know down below. And of course, guys, before I'm going into the next content point here, I wanted to remind you urgently, guys, if you want to trade this volatility, it is a crazy one upcoming. If not today, then in the next 2 days, make sure you go down in the pinned comment. You get 3,000 US dollars almost in total, completely for free by number one, clicking my Bybit link, make an account, and after your initial deposit, you get on Bybit alone already 1,600 US dollars completely for free, with which you can trade and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade from the exchange as well. Take advantage of that in the pinned comment down below because, well, as you know, I was stepping back from trading. I was trading much, much less, lower quantities, lower frequency. And I was telling you guys, please do the same. And for me, it is very important not to always incentivize you for trading and to only incentivize you when I myself incentivize. Now I am going to take action on trades again. And this is why I'm updating you about that. Smash up the like button if you appreciate that. And there was something else I wanted to talk about, of course, which is the Wyckoff pattern. I just have to give you an update about that. It's my favorite pattern here, and this is giving us in the midterm an extremely bullish outlook, in the short term a very cautious one, because, and this is why you are watching until the very end, in phase C we are meant to zigzag accumulate, and actually according to this pattern we should get another rejection down and another bounce before in phase D we are breaking towards the upside. So according to that pattern, soon, today or tomorrow, we should get another rejection here. I'm just preparing you for this scenario to happen, because if I'm going back into the specific Wyckoff pattern here, you can see it right there. We are getting 3 zigzags and one last rejection before we are breaking in phase D towards the upside for good. This is what I wanted to prepare you for, guys. Let me know what you think about that. Of course, I always appreciate all your comments. I'm reading that. It is a feedback function for me, and I am commenting some of your comments as well. I truly appreciate this, I don't know, family kind of environment, all the love you are spreading, the good feedback, the bad feedback, and everything. It is truly appreciated, and man, What I appreciate the most is if you are sharing your profits in the comment section on Telegram. We have a Telegram group down below. Make sure you use only our link in the video description. I appreciate all of that. Sharing is caring, especially if it's about profits. It shares just a very positive vibe, and I'm very happy to see you guys so profitable as you are right now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.